What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. This is the Nike Air VaporMax 3.0 Flash Crimson colorway. And as always, if you're interested, there's a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. I don't see how these shoes aren't like extremely popular. They should really be going for like $400 or $500. And honestly, I'd make a bet that if you were to check the affiliate marketing link in the description, buy yourself a few pairs, in about a year or so, you could probably move these for like $400 or $500. I'm not giving investment advice or anything. I'm just saying that I think that's definitely possible. I'm not really a sneaker expert at all, but you know, maybe just consider these an investment. Try not to get pairs with no lids. Even if you do get no lids, it's not so bad, but lids are always better. Let's get the white balance fixed and I'll throw these on foot. Alright, I'm sure you guys are all familiar with Flyknit VaporMax. Very lightweight sneakers, very comfortable, extremely good looking. They're not the most comfortable for long use, but because of their lightweight for like short trips or short-term use, they're quite incredible. And aesthetically, like, I don't really think you can go wrong with a pair of VaporMax. At this point in time, these are very special. Check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description to get yourself a nice pair of joggers or jeans to go with these fire VaporMax, or any other nice sneakers that you may or may not have at home. Definitely let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I happen to think that these are some really nice sneakers. Quite relaxing if you ask me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video again. Check out those affiliate marketing links in the description. Let's just show you the sneaker super up close and personal. One last time. Just tell me that this isn't one of the nicest pairs of VaporMax you've seen in a long time. And if you believe in me, if you believe in investing in sneakers, maybe get yourself one or two pairs of these. And I think in about a year's time, you could probably sell this for $400 to $500. I might be wrong. Like, this is not necessarily for everyone, but if you have a little bit of extra cash and you don't mind investing in like one pair of shoes, and you don't want anything too special, like you want a nice cheap investment, grab yourself a pair of these and you should be able to get a lot of money from these in a couple of years. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description. They help out the channel. They're affiliate marketing links. Goodbye.